Morphe 35V. What a pretty palette. All my eyeshadows are going to be from this. Hope you guys like it. So here I have already used my foundation, which was Dior Capture Total, my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shade Ginger, and I have also baked my under eye slightly with Laura Mercier translucent powder. I didn't show all those steps because, I mean, nothing really to show. I list my products, and here I am just taking my sweet time to fill my brows. So using the third shade from the third row, vertical and horizontal, I am going to do my transition. Do not use a hard hand on this, just very lightly, softly, and take it all the way in and to the edge and just sweep it out, the outwards motion. Using the third shade from the second row, I'm going to just lightly go over my eyelid in the middle, very slight, barely there product, just to brighten it up a little bit. Taking this blue color, I am going to pat the brush on my lower lash line. Don't sweep it because the color will fall out. Just pat it in. And I will mention what brush this is. But yeah, plain and simple, the whole lash line, front to the end. The end of this liner is kind of where the whole effect lies, because you don't want a thick line in the end. You want it to be a little bit tapered. So take it from the side and move it upwards, not straight, but in the upwards motion with the brush, still patting it. I am using the MAC Smolder pencil for my waterline and tight line. There is no better way of doing this, okay guys? So don't laugh. I had to show it. I have already applied the Marc Jacobs primer prior to applying this mascara. I do feel like it makes a difference. Maybe not too much, so you may skip it if you'd like, but this mascara is really good. The Sephora sale is going on. I recommend you guys trying this and let me know how you like it. It does give the lashes the false effect. Okay, so the fun part. I'm contouring my face with the Fenty Beauty Stick in Truffle. And I'm sorry guys, I don't know why the light was doing this. I apologize, but you can just see that I'm only blending it in. It's not the best to blend, but I was working with it. And I love me some powder contour, so I'm going in with the MAC Harmony blush to contour my nose, go over my cream contour. And what else do I contour? Okay, I contour my jaw. Okay, my cheek again. Cool. What else would I do? I'm gonna look and see. It looks good. If you guys have been following me for a while, you already know that I'm not a fan of highlighters. So here I am using my Laura Mercier illuminating powder very slightly to give my face a natural glow. I'm going to use my fingers to put the shine on wherever I want. Right now I'm focusing on my nose, and shortly I will focus on my brow bone. I totally cut out the 20 seconds that I struggled to open this blush. It's by KKW Beauty in Destiny. And I am going in a circular motion on my cheeks. I like to warm the blush behind my hand first before I do this. Just scraping off the excess baking that I had on. Not excess, but whatever little baking I had going on, and just cleaning it up, giving my eye a shape, and just dabbing over any oils that could be shining. I used MAC Spice Lip Liner, and MAC's Velvet Teddy lipstick for this. And then I think I'm going to go over another lipstick. Let's see what I do. Okay, I'm going to dab it first to lighten the peachiness of the look, because I think I wanted it more nude. And I'm going over Tom Ford's La Nude It, I think. And watch how quickly I get up, because I was getting late.